So in today's video guys, let's take a look once again at a magnetic latch mount that's compatible with GoPro Hero 13 Black. It turns out that one of you guys commented that you can actually use it with the previous camera models. So in the previous video, I only tested it for the Hero 13 Black because for some reason I was misled by the packaging as well as on the information on the official website that this product is only compatible with the latest Hero 13 Black. Let's remove the mounting fingers from the GoPro Hero 13 Black and mount it to the Hero 12. Now let me show you how to do it. So there you have it. This is how it looks like on the GoPro Hero 12 Black. And I must say what I notice is that definitely it's not as deep inside as on the Hero 13 Black, so it doesn't look as pretty. It's slightly sticking out, but it works, and I think this is the most important part. So let's quickly test it. And I must say, I don't know, for some reason I feel like it doesn't feel as smooth as on the Hero 13 Black. So while it does work, and you can definitely use it, it's just a different experience. But hey, it works, so if you have an older camera, it can definitely work for you. It seems like the magnetic latch mount is fully compatible with older camera models, such as GoPro 12, 11 or 10. And I must admit that I was totally misled by the official information on GoPro website, so thank you for pointing that out in the comment section under my video. If you want to quickly change from one accessory to another, then this product is exactly for you. And apparently you can even use it if you don't have Hero 13 Black, so it's a shame that GoPro says otherwise. Thank you for watching and see you guys in the next video.